Taxi Cameo is the first low-cost provider of organized taxi service in major Croatian cities. We operate from year 2006, own more than 230 vehicles, and employ 650 workers. We are the only taxi service in this part of Europe which has ISO 9001 certification. Every year, more than 6 million passengers use our services. With our long-term commitment, constant growth of services, and modern technology, we have developed a unique dispatching system called Taxi Navigator and corresponding smartphone application based on our own experiences. Taxi Navigator gives us all the necessary information for everyday operations and final analysis of our entire business. We are Taxi Cameo. Taxi Navigator is a unique and intuitive system designed to facilitate everyday driver and call center operators' work. Communication is two-way between the dispatch center, vehicle, and driver and takes place over a GPRS connection. Gathered informations are filtered and redistributed through the system in the best possible way, with maximal control of call center operators, drivers, and vehicles. Each vehicle has a device based on the Android platform, which is connected to taximeter in the vehicle, but it can also be completely replaced. The device is also connected wirelessly to the printer and a magnetic card reader, with the sensors in the vehicle and with dispatching systems via GPRS. At the beginning of his work, driver's personal login with username and password are inserted. The system is equipped with IMS, Instant Messaging Service, which allows quick and efficient two-way communications between the vehicle and the dispatch center, and the communication can also be made via phone call. The system has a built-in panic button through which an immediate notification is sent to dispatch center and other vehicles if the driver is in trouble. The system is optimized for receiving calls via phone, text messaging, web applications, and smartphones.
Hello, taxi.
Welcome to Taxi Cameo.
Hello, Jelena speaking. How can I help you? How many passengers? You will receive text message when taxi arrives.
Each order is recorded and stored in the database and automatically sent to the nearest free vehicle, or to a vehicle that will be closest to the zone, which enabling completely neutral and transparent vehicle allocation. Drivers can bid through auctions, or they can have assignment through the automatic granting, or dispatchers can directly assign them by the operator. The system is informing the driver in all instances, whether it is located in a vehicle or beside it, which allows communication between headquarters and the driver at all times. The application has also integrated one-click GPS guidance to the passenger's address or the addresses to which the passenger is going. The driver determines on his own how much time in minutes is needed to pick up the passenger, which is automatically notified by SMS. The system also allows the driver to inform passengers about their location, and the system automatically contacts the passengers via text message. If the vehicle comes to the address and there are no passengers, the driver informs the system, and the system automatically forwards the notification to passengers. When the passengers enter the vehicle and the driver starts driving, the system is informed about it. If on the location are more passengers than the vehicle can carry, the system is informed to automatically invite the next closest vehicle to the same location. The driver selects a destination and enters the number of passengers at the address, after which the application offers the shortest route to the final destination, which helps to reduce vehicle unemployment and end costs. The system enables the driver at any time to see the position of other vehicles along with their status. Driver can alert other colleagues on the road on the position of the police and therefore contribute to traffic safety. The system allows vehicle tracking in real-time map, showing data such as number of vehicles, speed, and occupancy status, or in conjunction with the assigned position and driving. The system is implemented and optimized for use with EcoDrive system that alerts the driver about his fuel consumption negligence and can be viewed in real time or retrospectively as an employee efficiency report. With EcoDrive, the passenger's safety is enhanced and fuel consumption can be reduced up to 20% on the benefit of fuel cost and ecology. The system accepts cash, credit card, prepaid, postpay payment method with opportunities of loyalty program for the end user, and depending on the need, the regular invoice can be issued. The application can be used as POS, point of sale, cash register, and thus allow retail of such items as taxi cards, taxi vouchers, chewing gums, or other similar items. The system enables the driver to monitor his efficiency during his shift with informations over achieved total turnover, the ratio of cost per kilometer, number of drives, his expenses, and more. The administrative part of the system allows data statistics, records, and monitoring systems, both of drivers and call center operators, with data exporting for further processing. Taxi Navigator is a fully automated system based on the latest IT technologies and GPRS communication. Monitors the work and efficiency of drivers and vehicles in real time or retrospectively through reports and records. The system also monitors the work of the operators, dispatchers, and the entire call center, including the system parameters with vehicle stops, addresses, and streets. The system is designed in a way that reduces the operating costs of vehicles, such as the depreciation of vehicles, and its consumption with EcoDrive system. As the system is fully automated, it reduces the number of employees in the call center, and the end user has the correct information about the vehicle arrival, contributing to more satisfied customers. What can we offer you? Expert technical support, specialists in the field of taxi services with long-term experience in the taxi service, organization of drivers, fleet management, and call center with our complete know-how. EcoDrive training ultimately results in a cumulative reduction of costs, consultation and information and telecommunications technologies.
Taxi Navigator is a unique system. I can make my own choices because I best know what's happening on the street.